So, welcome to the second lesson in this tutorial series. Now, this lesson we are going to see how we write our first program, the Hello World program. It's a simple code in Java, and then we are going to see how we are going to write this code. So, we'll create a new project by going to File, New, or simply hold alternate Shift N. Then go to Java project. Then the project name, we type the project name. We can say hello world project, and then we click finish. You'll be asked, do you want to create a new model? You just say don't create. You'll know more about model as we go on in this tutorial. So we'll need to create a class. A class is where you can actually run your programs in Java. So you right click on the new project and then go to new and class, and you can call the class hello. Just call it hello, and then the box public static void main string args. Now this is a default, they call it default method. That's what it's called in Java, but with time you will know more about it. Naming this, we say hello and we will click finish. If you notice, the box was unticked. That is why we are not saying the public static main void here. So we can manually write the static public main void here, the public static void main here, the main method here. We can do that one manually, or when we want to create a new class, we can also tick the box to save us time. But I prefer you try to type the method so that it will got stuck to your brain, so that anytime you want to program, you won't be thinking about what's the syntax for the public static void method. So let me say public static void main string args. Now in Java we have what we call keywords, we have what we call variables, and we also have what we call constants. We will know more about this as we proceed in this tutorial, but for now just know this is a method, the main method in Java, and this is where all your codes will be run, and you will know why it's called public and why it's called public static void later to this tutorial. So for now you just need to cram this and use it as we go on in this tutorial, because we'll be using this more often. So we'll say system.out.print ln hello world. Hello world. And this hello world is known as a string, but with time we'll talk about string. But just know that this is a string, and a string is enclosed in a quotation marks. Now let's look at this. This is called a statement in Java, and this statement is used to print out any argument passed into it, and this hello world is known as an argument. So this semicolon here is used to end the statement. It indicates end of the statement. You can write other statements here after the semicolon. So we also have print as a normal print, and we have a print ln. Now this print ln, if you want to output another argument passed onto this expression, it will shift the pointer to the next line. That's the function of this ln that is this suffix ln at this print. But if we use a normal print and we want to print out another argument, it will still print on the same line. For example, if I want to print out another argument, let's say system dot out dot print welcome, it's going to print these other arguments on the next line. Let's see. If I say run, you see now, it prints these other statements or these other arguments passed onto the statement, this method print on the next line. Assuming we remove this suffix ln and run this program, it prints the welcome on the same line as that of the hello world. So to make your program easy, you need to put the ln so that when someone sees it, they'll know that this program, the welcome, will be printed on the next line. We'll also do escape sequence as we proceed in this tutorial. But for now, you make use of the ln more often, because you'll be printing different arguments and different methods. But for now, you'll be using the print ln. When we talk about the escape sequence, then you'll know more about the /n that will help you manually print. We call it text format, the print format, how you want your output to look like. This print ln is a method. We will talk about method as we go on this tutorial, but just know that this is a method. Methods are always followed by parentheses, opening and closing parentheses. So this is a simple Java code. So this is a simple Java program. As we move on in this tutorial, we are going to know more about classes, objects, and more. So in the next tutorial, in the next video, we are going to be talking about variables, how we are going to use